Yeah.
All right. So the hole is right. So let's see what Rob's gonna do.
Okay. Here's our lovely hole. We sanded out a bit, or grinded out the hole, make it a little bit bigger.
And we coat it with a bit of acetone to clean up the tar. Okay, good.
And so now we're going to spot on a bit of a paint here. A bit of the, is this the undercoat or the top coat?
The undercoat.
The undercoat.
Yeah, the base, the primer. Which is pretty good.
It's just to tidy it up a bit and make it look all like it was brand new.
Looking good.
Do you want me to do the insides as well here?
Oh yeah, of course. Well, why is the inside so important, Rob?
Because there's the
There's the wood bit, right?
there's some lovely bits of chipboard in here.
Yep.
I believe it's chipboard. It has the consistency of chipboard, and we want to make sure that's got a nice bit of paint in the end of that, just to make sure the water doesn't seep in there.
Yeah.
Because chipboard and water go well together. They love each other.
Yep.
They love each other so much they have a swell relationship.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've mixed this in a part of a 1 to 4.
Yep, 1:4. This is the international yacht paint. Very good stuff. Very expensive, but really, really good. I like that.
We like it.
Yeah. You know, you spend one-time effort, and you don't have to touch the paint for 2-3 years, or even more. You know, there are a lot of cheap paint down the road, but you might have to redo it every 1 year, or you know, every so often. So make sure you get that coat right in the sandwich bit with the chipboard.
It's very therapeutic, especially in the burning sun.
Yep. It's really, really hot here.
Especially if you're an uncle.
Yeah, for a white guy.
If any of you are wondering, yes, we are in Antarctica. Sailing has got a big community down here in Antarctica.
Yep.
It's not quite parlay, but you know, we're not having problems like the balloons. It's quite nice how it's soaking in. I thought it was going to be really, really soaking in and like absorbing it completely.
I think we're gonna put one more coat after this, right?
Yeah.
Let it dry up. I think it's gonna dry pretty fast over here in the tropics. And then we're gonna put one more coat so that it's get as waterproof as possible.
Yeah.
Well, it's not gonna touch water all the time, but it's good to well, finish the job proper. You never know when water is gonna seep in, and your chipboard will just get so bloated, and then you have problem after that. But after this, we will then use this marine goop stuff to finish the job. Oh,
Yep,
it's an
that's
umbrella.
it. Yeah, the umbrella's
Wind.
pointing it out for you. Yep.
So there you go.
Thank you, umbrella.
Yeah, thank you. So the umbrella is giving us more shade right now. Wow, it's nice.
More shit or more shade?
Yeah. So things around here tends to get a bit animated with all the wind and the sun. You know, so now we get a bit more shade.
Shade.
Some more shade, yeah. And
Sounds like something else, but she's saying shade.
shade, yeah. The umbrella has gone autonomous. It's not bad, you know. In this world where everything is digital, the fact they probably just got autonomous. Wow. Okay, is that getting your way?
Oh, you're right, you're right.
Okay. Getting good shape.
Yep.
See. Okay, so this is how it is. There you go. It's nice, nicely painted up. Nicely, you can see it. Well soaked. Let's move the brolly away a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You're right. You're okay.
Hold the brolly over my good friend here.
Oh, messy.
Yeah. Well, you can see from the paintbrush, this paintbrush costs us about 40 cents. Sing dollar. There you go.
40 cents, really? Right?
It's 40 cents. We bought it last year. Still cost 40 cents today.
It's an excellent paintbrush.
Yeah,
cheap,
it's great.
cheerful, but it gives a very, very smooth.
Yep, exactly.
Smooth finish.
Yep. Crystal is nice.
Oh, I suggest buying more of these paintbrushes and
Yep, we will get more of this paintbrush for sure.
keeping them just, you know, for the grandchildren.
Yeah.
Or somebody's grandchildren.
I'm going to put down the poly for a little while.
Yep. Well, our friendly neighbourhood spiders or mosquitoes.
Yeah.
They're very friendly. They come over here to say hello to everybody. They don't care what colour you are.
Oh yes. Yes. That is the thing about Singapore.
Racial harmony. Mosquitoes will love you no matter who you are.
Yeah, exactly. You'll be surprised, on this sailboat we have all the different races sailing together, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, for years.
Yes, boss.
Yes. Do we have enough paint? We do?
Oh, tons.
Okay, we got 50 mil on it.
If it doesn't dry up so quickly or whatever,
Yeah, it's good.
it'll be good enough.